Hickory dickory dock.
Children, let's have some practice reading sentences with the English alphabet and letter sounds. Let's read. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for doll. Doll. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for gold. Gold. H is for ham. Ham. I is for insect. Insect. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lamp. Lamp. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for robin. Robin. S is for sandwich. Sandwich. T is for tent. Tent. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for walrus. Walrus. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Great work, children!